Hello, my name's Suzanne and I want your help to understand how changes in the acidity and temperature of the ocean might affect marine life here in the UK. I'm part of the paleobiology group in Bristol and we study the past to learn about the future. Past environmental change has affected life on Earth over the millennia, and it's a great place from which to start to understand how humans are affecting life on Earth today. I love the sea, and through this work I want to add to our knowledge to help protect it for the future.
So I'm Daniela Schmidt, I'm a professor for paleobiology at the University of Bristol. So ocean acidification is the uptake of CO2 by firstly the atmosphere and then secondly by the ocean. And CO2 is a weak acid. So the effect of ocean acidification on the global ocean is very well understood. If we come closer to home though, if we're trying to understand the UK coast, it becomes much more complex.
Over the last few years at our labs in Bristol, we've been developing techniques to understand more about shells and skeletons of marine organisms. We can look at large-scale changes in the shape of organisms and small-scale changes in their crystalline structure and chemical makeup. We also make digital reconstructions to simulate pressures organisms might experience in the natural environment, like waves crashing against the seashore. We've already found that the material properties in some mussels from Antarctica have changed since pre-industrialisation, and now we want to know what happens closer to home. We need your help to do the examination and modelling in the lab. The research is vital as many of these organisms provide habitats for others, like coralline algae, and others are economically important, such as mussels and crabs. We want to understand whether climate change will affect the beauty and the richness of our ecosystems in the UK. By supporting us, you'll be invited to an online seminar at the start and the end of the project, detailing what we're going to do and what progress we've made. You'll gain access to a series of podcasts throughout the duration of the project, detailing our findings along the way. We'll invite you to Bristol for a cheese and wine evening and a discussion of the work that we've been doing, and you can also meet the researchers and visit the labs. Thank you for watching, and please support us to help us better understand Britain's seas.